This playlist that you're viewing right now is meant to be a full organized course in pre-calculus. But one thing you might notice is that it seems to be a lot shorter than a typical pre-calculus course. Most college level pre-calculus courses cover anywhere from 25 to 30 different topics. This playlist has less than 20. You might be wondering, well, where's all the rest of it? Usually, a organized pre-calculus course begins with a review of trigonometry. However, since we have an online course here, since we have online videos, we don't have to do it the traditional way, where we start by doing trigonometry at a much faster pace with fewer examples than usual. Instead, we have an entire trigonometry playlist, which is meant as an organized course in trigonometry. So at this point, you have one of two choices. If you've already taken an organized trigonometry course at the college level, then, and it's been recent enough that you remember it well and you feel confident that you know the material, then just continue. Starting with the next section in this playlist, you'll see the material that comes after a review of trigonometry in a typical pre-calculus course. However, if you have not taken an organized course in trigonometry at the college level, or if it's just been a long time or you don't feel confident in your abilities, then I suggest you go to the previous playlist and view the course in trigonometry. This will have the added benefit of allowing you to take the time with the trigonometry rather than to speedily go through it the way you normally would in a typical pre-calculus course. Either way, whether you already know the material well or you're going to review it for the first time, it is strongly recommended that you do not just ignore the trigonometry, because Calculus 1 and especially Calculus 2 will depend highly on trigonometry. So, this being a pre-calculus course, it's assumed you will be taking calculus sooner or later, and it would be a disservice to yourself to continue with anything less than a very strong foundation in trigonometry. Either way, once you have, one way or another, a good strong foundation in trigonometry, then you can continue with the next section of this course and proceed through to the end to complete a full pre-calculus course. Enjoy.